First point is introduction. Let us observe this video. What is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics means thermo means thermal energy. Dynamics means motion मध्ये means study of this heat energy in motion or flow. This is thermodynamics. Heat, we know heat always flows from high temperature to low temperature, that is hot body to cold body. Then according to modern theory, heat is a form of energy. मॉडर्न थेअरीनुसार हीट एक प्रकारची ऊर्जा आहे. द वर्क डन बाय द सिस्टीम कन्वर्ट इनटू हीट. कोणत्याही सिस्टीमवरती केलेलं कार्य जे आहे हे उष्णतेमध्ये रूपांतर होतं. थर्मोडायनामिक्स इज द ब्रांच ऑफ फिजिक्स दॅट deals with the concept of heat and temperature and the interconversion of heat and other form of energy. थर्मोडायनामिक्स ही फिजिक्सची अशी शाखा आहे की ज्याच्यामध्ये हीट आणि टेम्परेचर जे आहे ह्याचा आणखीन याचं इंटरकन्वर्शन याचा जो अभ्यास केला जातो त्याला म्हणायचं थर्मोडायनामिक्स. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम. लेट अस ऑब्जर्व दिस वीडियो. इन दिस केस दिस इज थर्मस. Inside this thermos flask, hot water is placed. Then if you measure the temperature, suppose something temperature is 80 near about, then if you open this, then heat flows from this thermos flask to surrounding and temperature decreases. Now if temperature becomes same, that is temperature of thermos flask and temperature of surrounding, then this heat flow stops. Now these two objects are at now thermal equilibrium. Same is shown in this diagram, that is heat always flows from hot body to cold body up to both temperatures are equal. If temperature becomes same, then heat flow stops. Then heat is something that is transferred from a substance at higher temperature to that at low temperature. म्हणजे ऊर्जा एक अशी आहे हीट ऊर्जा की जी जास्त तापमानाकडून कमी तापमानाकडे फ्लो होत असते. When two objects are at same temperature, they are in thermal equilibrium. दोन ऑब्जेक्ट जर समान तापमानाला असतील तर ते दोन ऑब्जेक्ट जे आहेत काय म्हणायचे, थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम मध्ये आहेत असं म्हणतात. Next point is zeroth law of thermodynamics. In this case, if two systems are each in thermal equilibrium with a third system, they are also in thermal equilibrium with each other. म्हणजे दोन सिस्टीम ह्या सेपरेटली तिसऱ्या सिस्टीम बरोबर थर्मली इक्विलिब्रियम असतील तर त्या पहिल्या दोन सिस्टीम पण ऑटोमॅटिकली थर्मली इक्विलिब्रियम असतात. म्हणजे थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम म्हणजे त्यांचं टेम्परेचर जे आहे हे सेम असतं. नाउ लेट अस लुक आउट इन दिस डायग्राम अँड व्हिडिओ. नाउ इन दिस केस इफ सिस्टीम ए अँड सिस्टीम ई सी आर इन थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम and system A and system B are in thermal equilibrium, then system B and C must be in thermal equilibrium with each other. That is in diagram C, A and C thermally equilibrium with each other and A and B also thermally equilibrium with each other. Then automatically B and C also thermally equilibrium with each other. Then systems A, B, C are at the same temperature. तिन्ही पण सिस्टीम जे आहेत ह्या एकाच तापमानाला असतात. Next point is heat, internal energy and work. First one is internal energy. Now look at this video. In this case, internal energy is defined as the energy associated with the random disorder motion of the molecules of the system. म्हणजे या सिस्टीम मध्ये हे जे मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत हे रॅन्डम मोशन जे करतात त्यांची डिसऑर्डर जे आहे याची एनर्जी म्हणजेच इंटरनल एनर्जी असते. For an ideal monatomic gas such as argon, the internal energy is just the translational kinetic energy. Monatomic gas मध्ये फक्त translational kinetic energy हीच त्याची internal energy असते. For polyatomic gas such as carbon dioxide, the internal energy is the translational kinetic energy, rotational and vibrational energy of the molecule. Polyatomic gas मध्ये त्याची translational, rotational and vibration ह्या तिन्ही मिळून internal energy असतात. In case of liquid and solid, the internal energy is the potential energy of the molecule due to the intermolecular attractive forces amongst them. In addition to this, translational, rotational, and vibration. In addition to this, potential energy also there in case of liquid and solid. Now let us look out this diagram. In this case, for monatomic gas, only translational kinetic energy. For molecular gas, translational plus vibrational and rotational kinetic energy. And for solid and liquids, this translational, vibrational, rotational and potential, these all types of energy associated in case of internal energy for liquid and solids. Next point is thermodynamic system and thermodynamic processes. Thermodynamic system is a collection or a group of objects that can form a unit which may have ability to exchange energy with its surrounding. तर थर्मोडायनामिक सिस्टीम म्हणजे हा सिंगल ऑब्जेक्ट असेल किंवा ग्रुप ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट असतील की जे सराउंडिंगशी हीट एक्सचेंज करायची त्यांची ॲबिलिटी असते. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज थर्मोडायनामिक सिस्टीम. एनिथिंग दॅट इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ द सिस्टीम इज इट्स सराउंडिंग ऑर एन्व्हायरमेंट. जे सिस्टीमचा पार्ट नसतो तो सिस्टीम सोडून बाकीचे जे आहेत त्याला सराउंडिंग किंवा एन्व्हायरमेंट म्हणायचं. Thermodynamic system can be classified on the basis of heat and matter. They are classified as open, closed or isolated system. Thermodynamic system जे आहेत ह्या त्याचं क्लासिफिकेशन त्याच्या हीट वरती आणि मॅटर वरती करतात. त्याचे तीन प्रकार आहेत: ओपन, क्लोज्ड अँड आयसोलेटेड सिस्टीम्स. Let us observe this video. In this case, there are three systems. One, the open system is a system that freely allows exchange of energy and matter with its surrounding, that is environment. For example, water boiling in a kettle. म्हणजे ओपन सिस्टीम जे आहे या ओपन सिस्टीम मध्ये एक्सचेंज ऑफ हीट एनर्जी आणि मॅटर हा अलाउड असतो. म्हणजे त्यातून हीट एनर्जी बाहेर पडू शकते किंवा मॅटर पण थोडा बाहेर पडू शकतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, water boiling in a kettle. In closed system, second type of system is closed system. In closed system does not allow the exchange of matter but allows energy to transfer. For example, water boiling in a boiler is a closed system. Closed system मध्ये फक्त एनर्जी, हीट एनर्जी सिस्टीम टू सराउंडिंग आणि सराउंडिंग टू सिस्टीम हे एक्सचेंज अलाउड आहे. याच्यामध्ये मॅटर हा एक्सचेंज अलाउड नसतं. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज क्लोज सिस्टीम. नेक्स्ट थर्ड टाइप ऑफ सिस्टीम इज आयसोलेटेड सिस्टीम. An isolated system is completely sealed. Matter as well as heat cannot be exchanged with its environment. For example, thermos flask. Isolated system मध्ये सिस्टीम टू सराउंडिंग आणि सराउंडिंग टू सिस्टीम, हीट एज वेल एज मॅटर दोन्ही पण हे अलाउड नसतात एक्सचेंज साठी. That is called as isolated system. For example, thermos flask. A thermodynamic process. A thermodynamic process is a process in which the thermodynamic state of a system is changed. For example, water pot is heated externally, water starts boiling and state changes. तर थर्मोडायनामिक प्रोसेस मध्ये स्टेट चेंज होते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, वॉटर बॉईल केलं तर लिक्विड स्टेटची गॅसियस स्टेट मध्ये चेंज होते. ही स्टेट चेंज, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज थर्मोडायनामिक प्रोसेस. Thus, we can describe the state of system by using temperature, pressure and volume as its variable. त्यामुळे स्टेट चेंज आहे, ह्या स्टेट चेंज आहे हे आपण त्याचं टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर आणि व्हॉल्यूम घेऊन आपण त्या डिस्क्राइब करू शकतो व्हेरिएबल घेऊन. Let us summarize. Open system, only heat and matter is allowed to exchange between system and surrounding. Closed system, only heat is allowed to exchange between system and surrounding. Isolated system, not heat, not matter is allowed to exchange between system and surrounding. Next point is heat. Let Ts and Te be the temperature of system and its environment respectively. समजा आपण Ts हे सिस्टीमचं टेम्परेचर घेतलं, Te हे एन्व्हायरमेंट म्हणजे सराउंडिंगचं टेम्परेचर घेतलं. लेट Q बी द एनर्जी ट्रान्सफर्ड बिटवीन द सिस्टीम अँड इट्स एन्व्हायरमेंट. म्हणजे जर आपण Q ही हीट एनर्जी आहे सिस्टीम कडून सराउंडिंगकडे किंवा सराउंडिंग कडून सिस्टीमकडे जी काही ट्रान्सफर होईल त्याला आपण Q मानलं. As Ts less than T, the system gains energy and Q is positive. जर आपण सिस्टीमचं टेम्परेचर हे कमी असेल सराउंडिंग पेक्षा तर हीट ही सराउंडिंग कडून सिस्टीम कडे फ्लो होईल. दिस इज शोन इन दिस डायग्राम. नाउ हीट इज फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम सराउंडिंग टू सिस्टीम and this now Q is positive, taken as positive, that is heat gained by the system is taken as positive. If Ts is greater than T, the system loses energy and Q is negative. System temperature is greater than surrounding temperature, that is environment temperature. Now heat flows from system to surrounding, and the system loses heat energy, and this is taken as negative. This is shown in diagram. Heat is flowing from system to surrounding. In Ts equal to T, that is the system and environment are in the thermal equilibrium, and there is no transfer of energy, that is Q equal to 0, means temperature of system and temperature of surrounding is same, then heat is not flowing to system to surrounding or surrounding system, that is heat flow is 0. Therefore heat energy Q is the energy that is transferred between the system and its environment due to a temperature difference that exists between the two. It is denoted by Q. आता हीट एनर्जी असते, हीट एनर्जी म्हणजे काय, हे एक फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी आहे जी टेम्परेचर डिफरन्स असेल तर टेम्परेचर डिफरन्समुळे सिस्टीम टू सराउंडिंग किंवा सराउंडिंग टू सिस्टीम फ्लो होते. That type of energy is known as heat energy and it is denoted by capital Q. Next point is change in internal energy of system. To change the internal energy of system, there are two types. First type is change in internal energy of system can be brought about by heating the system. Means if you provide heat energy, then internal energy of system changes. And second is change in internal energy of system can be brought by doing some work on it. Means by doing some work we can change the internal energy. Now take first type. Consider cylinder with movable massless and frictionless piston. एक massless आणि frictionless piston आहे, तो movable आहे inside outside. हा cylinder आहे, याच्यामध्ये gas fill केलेला आहे. Let the temperature of the gas be Ts and that of the environment is Te. System the temperature Ts आहे, that is gas cylinder, and surrounding environment the temperature is supposed Te. If Te greater than Ts, there will be an increase in the internal energy of gas. Means if you provide heat energy, then if suppose environment temperature is greater and Ts, that is system temperature, is less, then heat flows from environment to system, and in this case internal energy of this system increases. If Ts greater than T, the gas will lose energy to its environment and cool down. Means system temperature is large and environment temperature is less, then heat flows from system to environment and this system loses energy and system cool down. In second case of changing internal energy, that is by doing work, quickly push the piston inside the cylinder, gas is compressed, the piston does some work on the gas, gains energy and its temperature increases. Means if you push suddenly piston inside, then work done takes place and this work done converts into energy and gas temperature increases, that is system temperature is increased. If the gas is pushed the piston out, gas is expanded, some work is done by the gas, it loses some of its energy and the gas cools down. समजा गॅस न पिस्टनला पुश केलं आणि पिस्टन आउटसाइड ला गॅस एक्सपांड झाला, in this case work done by the gas, hence system loses energy and system cools down. Internal energy changes by two types. First one by heating it or by doing work on it. म्हणजे इंटरनल एनर्जी आहे त्याच्यावरती आपण हिटिंग केल्यानंतर पण चेंज होते सिस्टीमला, आणखीन सिस्टीमवरती वर्क डन करून पण आपण इंटरनल एनर्जी चेंज करू शकतो सिस्टीमची. Next point is first law of thermodynamics. Observe this video. In this case, this is cylinder. Inside the cylinder, gas is filled, and this is piston, frictionless, massless piston, moving up and downside. Initially, if gas molecules are doing random motion, then if you provide heat energy to these gas molecules, these gas molecules absorbs heat energy, and by absorbing heat energy, internal energy of this gas increases, as well as this gas expands and piston moves upside, that is do work done. Consider a cylinder with a movable, massless and frictionless piston. एक movable, massless and frictionless piston आपण consider केला जो cylinder मध्ये आहे. First case, consider the work done by the system. Piston moves through a finite distance, so gas does a positive work on the piston. Initially, suppose piston is moving outside, that is gas expands. This is the work done by the system and this is positive. When the piston is pushed in so that the volume of the gas decreases, the gas does negative work on the piston. If you push piston inside, then volume decreases, then this work done is negative work done on the piston. Now consider this cylinder having, let the cross section area of the cylinder be capital A and pressure is P. The total force exerted by the system on the piston will be F is equal to PA, force exerted by system on piston. Piston वरती act केलेला force आहे, force equal to pressure into area. If the piston moves dx, the work done. If the piston moves small distance dx, then work done takes place. In this case, work done is equal to force into displacement, and putting value of force is equal to pressure into area. Then again area into distance is volume, putting value of area into distance is volume. Again this work done becomes dw equal to p into dv. If the initial volume vi and the final volume vf, then total work done means to displacement dx only work done required is dw. Small displacement dx होण्यासाठी लागलेला work done dw आहे. Now total work done required to push this piston from initial volume vi to final volume vf is w equal to integration of this pdv, that is dw, from limit vi to vf. Then solving this integration, you will get p into bracket vf minus vi. The change in volume in this case is small. याच्यामध्ये volume small आहे, change in volume. W हे टोटल वर्क डन आहे. टोटल वर्क डन फ्रॉम इनिशियल व्हॉल्यूम VI टू VF, म्हणजे पिस्टन ज्यावेळी मूव्ह होईल ते व्हॉल्यूम बदलेल. VI व्हॉल्यूम पासून VF व्हॉल्यूम पर्यंत जे वर्क डन झालेलं आहे ते वर्क डन W इज इक्वल टू P इंटू ब्रॅकेट VF मायनस VI. राईट, कंप्लीट. When the amount of heat supplied Q, then increase in its internal energy. जर आपण Q एवढे अमाऊंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी सप्लाय केली तर त्याची गॅसची इंटरनल एनर्जी राईज होते. That is delta U, change in internal energy, equal to Q, amount of heat supplied. When the system does some work to increase its volume, then internal energy decreases. सिस्टीमनं जर व्हॉल्यूम इन्क्रीज करण्यासाठी जर वर्क डन केलं तर सिस्टीमची इंटरनल एनर्जी डिक्रीज होते. If W is the positive when delta U is negative or vice versa, म्हणजे वर्क डन जेव्हा पॉझिटिव्ह असेल तेव्हा डेल्टा यू निगेटिव्ह असतं, किंवा डेल्टा यू पॉझिटिव्ह असेल तर वर्क डन निगेटिव्ह असतं. In practice, the internal energy can change by both the ways. That is, change in internal energy equal to heat energy supplied minus work done. जी काही इंटरनल चेंज होते ती आपण सप्लाय केलेली हीट एनर्जी मायनस वर्क डन, यानंतर आपल्याला ती चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी मिळते डेल्टा यू. This is the mathematical statement of first law of thermodynamics. Delta U equal to Q minus W, or Q equal to delta U plus W. म्हणजे amount of heat supplied Q equal to change in internal energy plus work done, means total amount of heat energy supplied. Out of that heat energy supplied, some energy is used to raise the internal energy of this gas, plus remaining energy used to do the work done. That is first law of thermodynamics, that is Q equal to delta U plus W. First law of thermodynamics statement: when the amount of heat Q is added to system, its internal energy is increased by an amount delta U, and the remaining is lost in the form of work done on the surrounding. म्हणजे आपण जर Q इतकी हीट एनर्जी आपण त्याला जर दिलेली आहे, दिलेल्या एनर्जीपैकी डेल्टा U इतकी एनर्जी त्याची गॅसची इंटरनल एनर्जी राईज करायला वापरली जाते, आणि राहिलेली एनर्जी वर्क डन करण्यासाठी लॉस होते. For thermodynamics second, keep watching next